Expert ways to build your affiliate marketing strategy. A lot of people wish to become affiliate marketers, but they end up shying away from the genre due to an assumed difficulty level greater than other online opportunities. As you will find out by watching this video, the difficulty is more myth than reality. Follow this video and find out what it takes to market. An important part of affiliate marketing is choosing a quality product to market. Any recommendation that you make, online or offline, is a reflection on your character. If you're recommending shoddy products or shady services, your site visitors are going to assume you're just another con artist and ignore future marketing attempts. Investing in a personal organizer is a great tip to use if you want to be a successful affiliate marketer. Even if you're only using the organization features on your cell phone, you should make a note of your tasks, your schedules, your meetings, and other important information you will need to know about at any given moment. Look for affiliate programs that offer high commission rates. Some programs offer 100% or higher commission on the products they sell through you. Don't dismiss items like this as scams. These programs end up making more money through the follow-up sales, so it's worth it to them to pay out high commissions in order to gain a new customer for the long term. To get better results from your affiliate links, use only contextual links. Pages containing contextual links are more likely to garner results from search engines. Visitors are also more likely to click links if the text around them relates to the product. Promoting a product in the text around a link can significantly encourage purchases. When using affiliate marketing on your site, always inform your readers of your affiliations. Be upfront about your relationship with the vendor. Failure to disclose that you receive some degree of revenue from the advertisements can often make many customers feel as though you are trying to be dishonest or promote the vendor simply to make a quick buck. The most important key to having a successful affiliate marketing program is to choose a high-quality product. Promoting affiliate products on your site means putting your credibility on the line. If you try to sell your visitors on a shoddy or second-rate product, you will lose their trust and their business. See if you can get exclusive bonus offers from the vendor to be able to offer to your customers. People love when they feel like they are getting something over what they are paying for. You will see more sales if you are offering just a little something more. Ask your vendor if they can provide a bonus for your customers and then promote it. Now you can probably understand that there isn't a lot of difficulty involved in affiliate marketing. Time, knowledge, and a whole lot of effort. Well, of course, that's what it takes to succeed with any business venture. You have just learned some great affiliate tips and tactics here, so the next step is to put them to good use. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, You will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.